Hello guys, my name is Sitendra Punya. I am your anchor, I am your teacher, and I am really hoping that my channel is really helping you because as you can easily see that my channel is providing you, a very quality knowledge. Okay, you really can improve your English skill. Look, if you just watching my channel and my videos each and every day, then you can easily relate that my channel is gonna really helping you. So please be aware and improve our English speaking skill. Otherwise, you know what? You will never find out anywhere, okay? Because people who really can't speak English, I'm giving you a reality check. People who really can't speak English today can't even survive outside their house, okay? Outside their house, people can't surviving, okay? I'm traveling to whole India, so that's why I'm telling you that English speaking skill is very important. It's very mandatory. You really have to improve your English speaking skills anyhow. Otherwise, you're gonna be struggle in your whole life. Whole life you're gonna struggle, and now AI is coming. I know many people are saying that the AI is not a future in India because our infrastructure and all our the kind of system we are living that AI is will not exist. But you know what? I am a very positive mindset, and I'm really looking that India will be, become like in the next 10 years in China and America. Look, I am really seeing this. This is my faith that I am really can see that India will become next 10 year in China and America. Okay, so you have to speak your skill. You have to really improve your skill. Okay, so leave all the bad habit and improve your skill. And look, also my channel is that you can solve your daily to daily life basis problem. Look guys, now economic crisis, it's very brutal level of coming of economic crisis. Second was cockroach Janata Party. You can easily see that yesterday in Delhi Jantar Mantar, you can easily see that there are a large amount of student protest there. Okay, third one, student who are become to Gen Z and people who are born in 1996 for like me, you can easily see that now they are making their career on their own self, okay? Because they easily know these schools, this coaching, this institute, this system, what they given us, okay? What they given us, okay? Look, if you are born in India, even your parents will always manipulate you. Even your parents will always manipulate you, okay? So yes, it's a very alarming situation that now you have to take control your life. Look guys, only warrior only warrior can win and only warrior can rule. Otherwise no one, literally no one can help you, and no one can get through you out of this. You have to take a step. Look, I was gone to Sikar, okay, in 2012. In 2012, I was gone to Sikar and just fighting to my parents and society because I understood that time that now I really have to take control of my life. Okay, in that time I understood easily seeing that if I really want to live, I have to take control of your life. And now I'm really hoping that my life gonna be someday will good because you know your inner engineering, your inside soul, if happy, then you will cross, you will reach your destination. I'm telling you, you will reach your destination if your inside soul is happy, if your inside energy, if your inside voice are happy, then you will some days you will assure that you will reach your destination. So yes, I'm really looking that very good. And look guys, economic crisis, education system, paper leak, over 18 lakhs 20 lakh paper leak, and now every kind of system you are easily seeing. Again, I'm telling you, take your life on your own hand. This is the only way. This is the only way. Just, be a hero. Be a hero. Okay? And look, what is the definition of hero? Your house, your society, your relatives. If everyone is telling that you are wrong, you are wrong, you are a hero. This is the definition of hero. Hero means now everyone is against you. If everyone is against you, then this is the meaning of a hero. Heroism, this is that now everyone is against you. Okay, so yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and we will discuss a more thing, and please tell me in comment section so what I can make a more content for you. Thank you very much.